Howdy everyone. Hey, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and I'm at the Kincaid at Legacy in Plano, Texas. The Kincaid at Legacy in Plano, Texas. And by the way, this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Okay, let's talk about the area of the Kincaid. Kincaid is just a fantastic area to be in. The Kincaid is in West Plano. It's right here on the tollway in West Plano. This tollway goes north and south. So this is going north, and then that's going south. When you have quick tollway access like this, what it means is you can really get to some amazing things because there's so much good that's right on the tollway. Right over here, and if you just go to the right, actually right behind the Kincaid, there's great shops and restaurants. It's called the Shops at Legacy. You could walk to that. Over here on this side is Legacy West. So Legacy West shops and restaurants are right over there. That's also super popular. If you go this direction just a little bit, like 5 minutes, you're in Frisco. And by the way, there's a lot of corporations that are just right over there, kind of JP Morgan Chase, and some other corporations like Boeing, Liberty Mutual, some other ones that are over there. And they're right there, so this would be a great location if you are working for one of those corporations. If you go this direction and you go south, what you're gonna have is Addison. You also have quick access to this street called highway called George Bush that goes to the airport. You can also go to uptown or downtown. So if you want to be more in a little bit farther north, but you still want to work in uptown and downtown, this would not be a bad location either. You would just shoot the tollway down, maybe to go about 35-40 minutes, and then you'd be in downtown or uptown, depending on traffic. So anyway, that's a little bit about the area here at the Kincaid and the location. It's a fabulous location, super safe. If you have any questions or if you're ready to set up a tour with the Kincaid, send me a text. Just use the number below. Request a virtual tour. That's an easy way to start. Let's do a virtual tour and get that set up for you.